Jamaicans have a long history of blending up all sorts of things and making a variety of different punches. And this is one of the basic ones that we normally make. This is peanut punch, but today I'm going to be doing it just a little bit different by adding Irish moss and by not using any sugar whatsoever. So no sweetened condensed milk and no sugar, but it tastes just as delicious, and I'm gonna show you just how I did it. So you gather all the ingredients, and you know the drill. You just put them into your favorite blender. I'm using my NutriBullet blender, and this blender is amazing. I love it. It's so small, compact, and it does just about anything that I want it to do. So I'm adding supplicant, and I'm also adding peanut punch, and that's where the extra sugar is coming from. So when you do it this way, no need to add condensed milk or sugar, because the supplicant and the peanut punch, they are already sweetened. So when you add it, you really don't need any other sugar. And guys, it was so good, so delicious, creamy, and just as good. And that Irish moss added just made it even better. And of course, I had to top it off with some nutmeg. And yeah, that's it. This one is one of my faves, and you can use it as a meal replacement because it is so filling. Let me know what you thought of this one, and let me know which one I should make next. All right, bye guys.